All right, we're gonna try to get out here on these roads and negotiate. We may need a little bit of luck.
Yeah, very icy.
Yeah, these roads have not been salted. So it's gonna be a long, slow trip. But yeah, my girlfriend just got off work here. And she was delayed due to all the calls she had. So yeah, we're out here driving in disastrous conditions. And also, you know, I mean, we're making this video and we're probably going to take it home and erase it. Just kidding. That's cool. The car wash is open. It's 29 degrees. I wonder how that works. That's funny. It's after 7 at night and the car wash is open and it's 29 degrees. And the roads have been like disastrous shape. It's just kind of humorous. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what it looks like in the video, but there is no asphalt under this vehicle. We
Yeah.
are totally on snow.
Just
Probably ice too.
Just keep it in the tracks because you get caught by that stuff in the middle or on the side that's going to throw you.
Yeah. Gotta watch out for that stuff on the side.
And down the middle because it will catch your tires and throw you. I mean, it's so bad the plow trucks can't even clear the whole road. They're just clearing paths on either side. And the side roads are just, they're horrible.
And that's turning a frown upside down.
And when you make your turn very carefully because
You'll keep going straight.
you'll go into a ditch.
It's okay.
Guardrails,
No, we're not gonna find ditches or guardrails.
better not. It's a Jeep.
I don't know. I don't know why this guy's on my bumper. Like what?
Well,
If he can do, bless you. If he can do better, he can pass. You know.
no, he can't. He'll die.
Personally, I'd rather he didn't. He'd probably slide into me. But,
Yeah.
oh man. Yeah, this is pretty wild.
My friend said her husband put their truck in a ditch, but he put it in four-wheel drive and was able to get out.
Yeah, 4-wheel drive can be beneficial.
Well, we have our Jeep in snow for snow, four-wheel drive. So,
Yeah. This thing has all these different modes you can set it in. Sand and mud, snow.
okay, where are you
Sport.
going?
I'm making a right turn.
You're going too fast.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Watch me make this turn.
I'll grab this handle.
You are so funny.
I just answered like a bazillion phone calls.
Okay. We don't need to go into that right now.
No, but I just spent 11 hours doing this. That, oh, those red lights. When I looked out the mirror and the red lights, it looked like it was the tow truck behind us.
No.
Because Chris would yell at me.
But yeah, it's definitely going to be an interesting drive here.
It could be an interesting morning, too.
Yeah.
Going to be busy again.
Yeah, this is slippery here, I can tell.
Mm-hmm.
Christmas lights that you just missed.
That's okay.
Over there.
Over there. Over there. Over.
Okay, don't do that.
Oh, that's right. I forget about that. I'm such a cheerful person.
Uh-huh.
Decorate their trees like that. But
hey, whatever.
Bare tree, and they just throw some lights on it, which way, and not even all the way to the top. And it looks stupid. Or they wrap the tree trunk. It's like, okay, sure.
Hey, whatever it takes, I guess. Started this video 7 minutes ago, and normally in 7 minutes we'd be almost to our destination.
Oh, it's gonna be 12.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Here's a plow truck or something up here.
Looks like the township.
Yeah, it's a plow truck. I don't know who it is.
It's the township.
Well, it's some town.
It's
and he's spreading salt, which is a good thing.
Yeah, he's covering the intersection very well. Don't go down that road.
What do you mean don't go down that road?
Because you can go straight and pick it up out by.
Go straight, that's where I'm going, is straight.
Okay, because that road's bad.
Well, why would I turn there?
Okay,
that doesn't take me where I need to go.
Okay. My friend says she has snow up to her knees. Up at Erie.
Definitely good someone's out here doing this. I'm sure PennDOT has their hands totally full with trying to keep the roads clear. From everything I've heard, it's a serious nightmare. Started about 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock, and this was supposed to happen early this morning, like